Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Makeup by Leslie Marie. If you're new here, thank you for coming and watching my videos. Please make sure you subscribe before you leave. In today's video, I am just showing you guys a summer makeup tutorial. I hope that you guys will follow along and be able to fit on this look. I will have everything that I use listed in the description box. This is my natural hair. I have been natural for about 7 years, I believe. And I typically wear my hair in like sew-ins and stuff just because it's easier, it's faster. But I'm gonna try to wear my hair out because I love her and it's just grown so much. I'm so proud of it. I did straighten it. Oh, this is kind of the length that it is when it's actually straightened out. A girl got some inches. Hey, a girl got some inches. Anyway, I did straighten my hair, but with the rain and everything, that just was not gonna work. So I decided to just wear her curly, and I'm gonna try to keep it up and keep it out because my hair needs to breathe. Anyway, I hope you guys will stay tuned and watch this video. It is a tutorial for you guys, and I hope you're able to follow along. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
Okay guys, so first starting out, you want to prime your eyes with some type of eye primer. I'm currently using the MAC Paint Pot in the shade Painterly. Okay, so once you have your eyes primed, you want to set that all in with a translucent powder, and I'm currently using the translucent powder by Beauty Bakery. Moving on to eyes, I'm going to be using the Dare to Create palette by Morphe, and I'm just using two of the brown shades to create my own transition shade. So once you have that blended in, you want to go in and cut the crease. I'm going to do that with the same primer that I used earlier, which is the MAC Paint Pot in the shade Painterly. And I'm just going to basically define my eyes as to where I want my shimmery eyeshadow to go. Okay, so first you want to put down, what I'm doing anyway, I'm putting down my first shade, which is kind of a white shimmery shade from that same palette, the Morphe Dare to Create palette, and I'm just going to put that on like the openings of my eye. Moving on to your face, first I'm going to put down my foundation and blend that out with a brush and go over it with a beauty blender. Blended everything out, I like to set my face with any type of setting powder. After you've put down your foundation, you want to move on to highlighting and contouring. After that's blended out, you want to set that all in using any type of face powder. I'm using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Finally, you want to move on to your contour. Put down your cream product first and then go over that with any type of bronzer you have. Next, I'm going to go in with my eyeliner as well as my mascara. Then we're going to move on to our lips, which I'm going to do kind of a shade of nude today. And I'm using this lip palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I just mixed some colors together and created my own nude shade. And there you have it. Here's the final look. Thanks so much for watching.